As we draw the curtain on our spring collection, we're taking a moment to reflect and celebrate the creativity, craftsmanship, and inspiration that brought these seasonal artworks to life. Each piece was thoughtfully designed to capture the essence of spring and to inspire fresh possibilities in hospitality and commercial spaces. We began with a striking image of a calla lily. This creatively photographed bloom was enhanced with a bold gold leaf accent, replacing the spadix and a section of the petal. The result? A dramatically abstract interpretation of a classic spring flower. Next, we introduced two unique wall covering concepts. The first was an orange blossom pattern, imagined as breathable terralon, perfect for humid environments like bathrooms or tropical getaways. The second featured playful spring tone stripes, a simple yet impactful way to infuse any space with color and energy. We continued with another embellished photographic print, a close-up of soft, wavy petals. What might seem simple at first glance reveals a sophisticated layering of gel coat, emphasizing form and texture. The subtle patterns we applied add intrigue and elegance. Then came a piece that proves how small details can create the biggest impact. By adding just a few strokes of gold leaf to a vibrant green leaf photograph and pairing it with a tropical-inspired mat and frame, we transformed the image into a luxurious escape, perfect for resort settings. We also showcased a layered paper piece featuring delicate watercolor flowers. Through intricate cuts and dimensional layering, we allowed the petals to gently lift from the background. A blue mat adds depth and calm, embodying the serenity of spring blooms. We all know that woodworking is a cornerstone of our special projects team, and this next piece exemplifies that. A handcrafted vase was designed for shelving or alcoves, perfect for cruise ships, hotels, or resorts. It's a modern way to display fresh florals or propagated plants, bringing spring to life through form and function. Next, we presented a modern graphic, a minimalistic vase overflowing with vibrant spring florals. Printed on wood, this piece brings together natural texture and contemporary design, grounding the brightness of spring in earthy sophistication. Continuing the theme of creative florals, we explored acrylic as a medium for displaying modern sculptural plant forms. These pieces offer a fresh, imaginative alternative to traditional foliage, ideal for designers looking to push boundaries in their projects. Returning to woodwork, we crafted sleek wall vases in a variety of vibrant spring hues. These can serve as a simple decorative accent or be transformed into functional, eye-catching room signage, perfect for energizing hotel corridors with personality and charm. As we neared the end of the collection, we shifted to a more moody aesthetic. This piece brings the darker side of spring to life, with vibrant gold leaf embellishments highlighting select petals. A deep black mat outlined with gold adds drama and sophistication. We then unveiled a carved rose in warm-toned wood reminiscent of teak. Framed in a matching tone, the monochromatic palette highlights the rich grain and subtle variation in the wood, an elegant, tactile tribute to spring. This sister piece revisited the green leaf concept, this time with gold leaf extending from the center stem, adding movement and variation. Framed identically to its counterpart, it offers a complementary pairing with tropical flair. And finally, we close the collection with a sculptural white relief, calm, neutral, and serene. On its own, it's minimalistic and modern, but when imagined as perhaps a backlit light box, it opens an entire new world of creative opportunity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our spring collection. We hope it inspires fresh ideas and seasonal stories in the spaces you create. With a deep commitment to quality and creativity, our team brings unmatched dedication to every project. When you work with LS Art Consulting, you're not just getting a product, you're experiencing a process driven by artistry, innovation, and care. Let us bring your vision to life. If you like this video, check out the rest of our channel for more artfully inspiring videos just like this one. Stay inspired, stay limitless.